guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are well and staying safe. It's been a minute. I haven't been on here for probably over a month now. When I first started my channel, I felt like a lot's happened since then, and it's been strange talking, and I needed to get back into filming again. Thank you all for your well wishes on my Instagram page, and those of you that don't know, I was just recovering from an operation. It's normal procedure for me, you'll get used to me doing that, but yeah, so I've just been recovering from an operation, and you know, alhamdulillah, praise to God, I'm doing really well. I'm gonna do a quick review and comparison to the Hudabeauty Legit Lashes. I've heard some really good reviews about this, and you know, the first time it got launched, it got sold out literally within the first week. I had to wait for it to come back in stock for me to do this video. But I've heard some really good reviews about this. It's literally blew up on the internet. So I thought I'll do a comparison to my normal lashes routine that I do, and I thought I'll compare it and jump on here and put my thoughts forward on what I think of it, and whether I'm swayed to switch over. Before we get into the video, please remember to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification for any new videos that I'll be uploading. We're in July now. I can't believe how fast this year has gone, so hopefully I've got some great new content for you guys, some more reviews. I've heard your feedback and you guys love me doing reviews, so I'm going to be doing more reviews on this channel. And if you want to see more makeup related videos, go check out my Instagram. I'll link it in the description box below and also across this banner. We're super zoomed in now, and probably my whole face is covering the whole screen. However, for the purpose of this video, please bear with me. So on this eye, I'm going to do the L'Oreal and the Too Faced combo, and then on this eye I'm going to do the Hudabeauty Legit Lashes. I need to open it up yet first. As you know, I'm a creature of habit, and I tend to stick to the same thing quite often. I don't usually change. If it works, I stick with it until the death. I do like trying new things when I get the chance, but sometimes I always go back to something that works for me. So this mascara, after used it so long, everyone talks about the L'Oreal Volume Lash and how amazing that is. I'm not really that much of a fan. I find the brush too clumpy. I don't like the brush. I prefer the brush on this. So yeah, so I'm going to start off by curling my lashes. As you know, like, I don't know if you can see, like, they're so straight. So to curl my lashes, I use the Ico curler, basically. Yeah. It feels so strange filming and talking because it's the longest time I haven't filmed. So I'm slowly getting back into it now. I'm just trying to get used to speaking to someone whilst no one's in the room. Sometimes my husband's in the room, so you probably see me talking and I'm not done the audio, because my husband sat here when he's finished work and he's just listening to me whilst I get ready. But then I don't show the audio on my Instagram, and people say, who are you talking to? And I'm like, it's my husband. It'll only be my husband that I'm talking to, or myself. It is possible. So yeah. So then I'm going to take the L'Oreal Million Lashes Waterproof Mascara. Now you can see, I don't know if you can see clearly, I'll zoom in and show you. So I'm going to just do it on this eye. So I'm just going to go in with the lash. You can tell I'm running so low on this. I never thought this through. I'll only just do one coat of this because I do this every time. So now that's dried, I'm going to go in with my Too Faced mascara. I'm going to take just one coat of it. I've got an abundance of this, so I'm not going to run out of this. And this just gives that volume, it just adds that thickness on the root of the lash. Okay, so that's done. So you can see how much I love this, because it just opens up my eyes and it just adds that thickness. I know there's mascaras out there that have dual-ended mascara ones, and they are waterproof, but for some reason I actually like this not in waterproof. They do have a waterproof version of this, and I just prefer this. I don't really like the waterproof version, so that's why I go in with the thin bristled Volume Million Lashes, and then I go in with that because it just gives that feathered look. So that's this eye. Now moving on to the right side. So it comes like this, the packaging, and then it has both sides It has a curl and length side, and then it also has a volume side as well. I'm going to be starting off with the curl and length. So the curl and length is similar to the L'Oreal one, but you can see like the bristles. Don't know if you can see properly. So that's just the first coat I've just put on. Now it combs through just as the volume million lashes, because obviously the bristles, it's very thin bristles, so it combs in really well. In fact, it combs better because the bristles are a lot longer and separated, so it definitely combs a lot better than the volume one, believe it or not. Yeah, I mean, I like the fact that it's a thin brush because every time, whenever I do my mascara, because it's too thick and I've got hooded eyes, it really gets, I always get mascara everywhere. The struggle is real. So yeah, I have to say this has really fanned out the lashes. Wow. Oh my god, I'm actually really impressed. Wow. So that's definitely made, that's the first thing I've noticed with this, is that it really helps to comb through each lash. And this is just one coat I've put on, but it almost looks similar to this side. I can't believe it. I'm gobsmacked. I'm actually gobsmacked. But yeah, it's almost similar. If anything, this is actually a lot longer. My lashes look a lot longer than this side. I mean, I'll zoom in so you can properly see my eyes. And I'm going to go in with the volume now. I don't think I need it, but we're going to see it. So the volume one, obviously the same kind of bristles. I'm going to go over it with this volume now and see how much volume it brings. I'm going to focus on the root and then just curve it as I normally would do. Okay. I don't know if you can see, I feel like the camera's not doing any justice to this, but yeah. Definitely, I mean, looking in the mirror, it does look a lot thicker than this side. I'm just speechless. It's crazy. I know it's just mascara, but really looks different. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I definitely can see difference. So far I'm really impressed. This eye looks so much more longer, the lashes are a lot longer, it's almost touching my brows, whereas this eye, it looks a lot more wispier. And I did put a generous amount on. I do my normal mascara. I mean, granted, I'm running a little bit low on this, but it was enough for me to coat through the lashes evenly. But yeah, and also I've got an abundance of this, so this is a new batch. True test will be if it starts to wilt. Now, when I curl my lashes, if they're not waterproof, they start to wilt. So far it's not happened, so I'm going to leave it for about 5 minutes and then come back and see if it wilts, so you guys can properly see, and then also my thoughts on this, on this product. Be right back. Okay, I'm back, guys. I've left it for about 5 minutes, and so far the lash is still curling. It hasn't wilted at all. So yeah, I mean, it doesn't really say on the packaging whether it's waterproof, but it has definitely kept its curl. So overall, I'm really impressed. For the price point as well, £24. I think it's £24, but I'll link it in the description box below and where you can purchase it as well. But so far I'm really impressed. It's actually a lot better than this eye. I know I've always stuck with the mascaras, but I'm really surprised how much it's really made a difference. I mean, I don't know if you could see it on camera, but on looking at my mirror now, I can certainly see that this eye is a lot more open compared to this eye. I even would go in with another mascara. I'm going to go in with a second coat of mascara because one thing that's a good thing about this Too Faced mascara is that no matter how many times you go over, it doesn't clump, and that's one thing I love about this. So I'm going to go over the left side again with the mascara. I'm going to go in with another set of the volume side and see if it clumps and see if it makes a difference. So it easily combs through even though my lashes have completely dried. So it combs through quite easily, doesn't tug at it at all. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. So far it was just a quick review. I thought I'll just check out to see my verdict. I am really impressed with the Legit Lashes by Hudabeauty. I think most of her products are mind-blowing, and they do really well. I have quite a few of her products and I really enjoy, and this one I really like. The only downfall is that when I applied, as you saw, when I applied the second coat of mascara, I did find them a little bit on the spidery side. I felt like it did comb through really well, even though the lashes were dry. It did comb through really well and it did apply really well. However, the ends seemed to look a little bit on the clumpy side, whereas this side, when I applied the Too Faced, it came on really well and it still looked a little bit feathery. So that's the only downfall I have. But really, if I'm honest, you don't necessarily need to go in with a second coat. I think the first coat does the trick for you. It literally, it really does. It really makes such a difference. Even with the volume, even with the curl and length one, if you just wanted to go for a natural daytime look, you can just use the curl and length one. I really liked the wand. Some of the ones that you find like a little bit curved in drugstores, and in drugstore mascaras that you find that are curved, it's a little bit flimsy and it's not as sturdy, which defies the point of it being a curved wand. I don't know if you've ever tried it, but I tend to find curved mascara ones, I find them a little bit flimsy, so you really have to go in and really comb them through, but then it kind of loses its curvature appeal, so to speak. I don't know if that makes any sense to you guys. I'm sure if you're a mascara fan like I am about, but this one held its curve, held lashes really well. Would I switch to this? I don't know, I'm going to try it on a few times. I really did like it and I felt like it's made an absolute difference. But again, like I said at the beginning, I am a creature of habit and it'll take me a while to wean off my Too Faced mascara and my Volume Million lashes, but it does come really close to the comparison. And I suppose I've got an abundance of these mascaras, so I need to go through them anyway, but I still would, if I wanted to do like a glam look but I didn't want to wear false lashes, I would certainly go to this. So yeah, I really enjoyed this. It was a quick video, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care for now. Bye guys.